Hello everyone. So this is the question number 122 of the NEET preparation. So what is the question? So the question is, a new variety of rice was patented by a foreign company. Through such varieties have been present in India for a long time. This is related to option 1 Basmati, option 2 Larma Rojo, option 3 Sharbati Sonora, option 4 CO667. So what is the question is asking? So here are the key terms: a new variety of rice which was patented by a foreign company, though such varieties have been present in India for a long time. Present in India for a long time. This is related to, so the correct option is option 1 Basmati. Option 1 Basmati. I will give a brief history about this. As the US government granted a patent for Indian Basmati to the company Rice Tech. Right here the name of the company. Rice Tech. Rice Tech. This is the company to which the US government granted a patent for the Indian Basmati. After that, the government of India challenged on April 28, 2001, and consequently United States Patent and Trademark Office sent a notice to Rice Tech for amendments in their claims, and the patent was eventually cancelled. So the correct option is the option first Basmati. This is related to the Basmati rice. So this is the answer one. Answer is the option number 1, which is Basmati. Okay. Thank you.